Welcome back to this edition of the AEC UNSTUCK newsletter. We outline a strategic framework to elevate your team's relational intelligence, RQ. Discover how optimizing meeting design and team dynamics can unlock collaboration and drive operational excellence across your AEC projects over the next 30 days. When relational infrastructure breaks down, project teams pay a heavy trust tax. It manifests operationally as the dreaded meeting after meeting cycle, endless calendar invites sent with no purpose, dominated by loud voices, leading to delayed decisions, expensive rework, and team burnout. RQ isn't a soft skill luxury. It is hard project infrastructure. To break out of the M.A.M trap, we must shift our operational habits. We move from vague catch-up triggers to a North Star why. Swap silent participation for assigned roles and replace decision latency with clear, tangible outcomes. To re-engineer collaborative alignment, we use the 5P meeting protocol. By structuring routine project alignment around 5 human-centric dimensions, you transform chaotic meetings into trust-building engines. Pillar 1 is purpose. Ask, do we need to meet? If the reason is just to catch up, cancel the meeting. If it's a kickoff or critical coordination session, write the North Star why directly into the invite. Never occupy a team's calendar without a clear reason. Pillar 2 is people. Unutilized talent is silent waste. To ensure active participation, explicitly assign 3 key roles in the invite. The facilitator to run the agenda, the note-taker to codify tacit knowledge into explicit standards, and the decision-maker to hold ultimate accountability. Pillar 3 is process. Ditch loose agendas and map out strict, timed segments. Dedicate the first 5 minutes to peer check-ins to build psychological safety. Use a parking lot to catch out-of-scope topics immediately, protecting the core schedule. Pillar 4 is platform. Establish digital etiquette up front, but most importantly, address AI consent. Allowing AI bots to join unannounced destroys trust. Explicitly requesting upfront consent in the invite is a vital litmus test for respect. Pillar 5 is performance. Every meeting must produce a clear deliverable, like an action memo or updated model. We measure true performance through decision latency, the time it takes from identifying a clash to finalizing an aligned decision. Don't overhaul your whole firm at once. Target one routine weekly meeting for 30 days using 3 interconnected gears. The protocol, no 5P, no meeting. The ritual, the 5-minute feedback loop. And the metric, tracking decision latency. The ritual requires saving the last 5 minutes of your meeting for a blame-free after-action review. Ask 4 questions. What was our intent? What was reality? Why were there differences? And what can we improve next week? Innovation is a team sport. Real progress begins when an individual is inspired. But installing relational habits is how we scale operational excellence. Remember, invention is what we do to improve our lives. Innovation is what we do to improve the lives of others. Ready to launch? Download the 30-day RQ upgrade worksheet directly from your studio panel. Fill out the 5P template, run your pilot, and turn relational intelligence into your project's greatest competitive advantage.